Hey folks, how you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to disassemble and repackage your Steelcase Gesture Chair for return shipping. This chair does have a headrest on it, but the process will be the same for chairs without headrests. Let's get started. Okay, so for this project you will need a rubber mallet, pipe wrench, and packing tape. Now let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first step we want to do is remove the seat, and we do have a close-up video of this to show you what I'm doing underneath the seat, but I'm just pressing a tab and rolling the seat forward past the lock, and then you'll just pull the seat right off. Next we want to do is lay the chair gently on its back. Okay, so now we have the chair on its back. We want to remove the cylinder and the base from the chair, and for that we'll use our trusty pipe wrench. We want to attach the pipe wrench to the cylinder close to the chair. Get a nice firm grip on it. Don't worry about marking up the cylinder. It's going to happen. That's okay. So to remove the cylinder, we just want to put downward pressure on the pipe wrench. It's just a friction fit. It's not screwed in. We just want to remove the cylinder by putting pressure down. So brace your chair with one hand and push down until it twists. Might have to do it a couple times. And it should come right out. There you go, guys. All right, once that's complete, we want to remove the cylinder from the base. So flip it over. And I've got a mallet here, and we just want to apply pressure downward on the cylinder, and it should fly right out of the base. Be careful. Okay, now we've got the cylinder out. We do want to remove the casters, and you just pull right out. Set those off to the side. So now that your chair is disassembled, it's time to pack it up for return shipping. Okay guys, so now that we have our same box that the chair came in, we're going to put the first packaging in the bottom of the box. It's going to be the coil first on the bottom. And after that, we're going to put in the cylinder and the casters. So I just have a plastic bag, you can throw them in. And the cylinder, we'll just toss in there as well. And these items you can place on the side next to the coil. All right, so the next part I will put in is the chair frame itself. The headrest we want to put into the down position, like so. I want to put a bag over top to protect the fabric. All right, once we have the bag over top, we want to put this into the box itself. We're going to grab by the arms. And place it in there nice and gently. Make sure the headrest is below the box line, and that looks good. Okay, we're going to add some packaging. We're going to put packaging on the bottom of the chair to protect the seat. Put packaging around the sides of the armrest, both sides. All right, so the next piece we want to put in is the seat. I also want to wrap that into a plastic bag to protect the fabric. All right, the seat is going to go fabric side of the seat to the fabric side of the chair. Like so. More packaging to protect it. And last but not least, we'll put the base in. We're going to put the base next to the seat. And the last little bit of packaging on top. I just want to make sure the chair is secure. That's all, guys. All right, so the last step will be is to prepare the box for shipping. We're going to tape up the box and apply the label. We want to use at least 6 pieces of tape on the top and bottom of the box. Tape up the box. All right, and now that we have at least 6 pieces of tape on the box, it's time to put the label on. I have the label here for you, and we're just going to put it on the box right here on the very top, and you can tape over the label. All right, guys, now that we've got the chair box up, that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.